So let's say for those of us that are used to running or yoga or even horseback riding or anything of that nature, would you say if we're doing it now, we could get back to that point of doing it after a hip replacement?
Depends on what activity you want to get back to. Um, Running, you can run on a hip replacement. Um, it is not advised because of the stress that you place across it. You're going to have an increased risk of wear sooner, and so you might not be someone that gets that 25 to 30 year outcome on your hip because of the stress that you're putting on it. Activities such as walking, hiking, doubles tennis, swimming, elliptical, those are great activities and they're highly encouraged. In terms of those types of activities, usually about 2 to 3 months before we want you to ramp those up. But after about the 3 month mark, you can return to function as you see fit.